Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to fix one-side audio problem in Davinci Resolve. Okay, I'm recorded a gameplay on my OnePlus 7T mobile and I copy that file to my computer. Here is the file. Let's open it. We are opening this file in VLC. Then you can hear that the sound is dual, means stereo sound. Okay, here is. Problem, we're just closing this one. Okay, then I'm going to add this video to video track. Okay, this is my Davinci Resolve 18 and just play this one. Now you can hear that only the left side audio is coming. Okay, there is only the left side audio. Now I will tell you how to fix this issue. You have to click the audio track. Right click on audio track, not the video track, only on audio track. Right click, select clip attributes, sit. Right click, then select this one, the clip, this option. Then go to audio tab. You can see the audio format is mono, selected to stereo. Then you can see the right track is muted. Then click and select embed channel 1. Then OK. Place this again. Now the sound issue is fixed. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Now the sound issue is fixed. If you have any doubt, comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.